Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to be back. It has been a hot minute and I am so sorry. This is going to be a really quick updates video because I just don't want it to drag on, and then we can get straight back into all the fun, cool, exciting videos that you actually came to this channel for. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, so today is Wednesday 16th of March and I moved over here on the 8th of May 2021 last year. By here I mean London, if you couldn't tell by the title. And yeah, so I haven't uploaded the whole time, mainly because I just kind of got the fear about uploading for many reasons. So let's start at the beginning. I moved into a flat with two girls that are in my spare room. So I didn't really know them at all, so I didn't really feel comfortable filming that much around them. Like, I just felt a bit awkward. And then I also got a job as a sales rep for a brewery, so that was super fun, but again around a lot of new people that I didn't know that well, and I just got a bit camera shy and didn't feel as comfortable filming around them. Not that I was filming my work day, but we did a lot of fun events which would have been really cool to film, but again I didn't really feel comfortable. So that was kind of mainly the reason, and also that job was super hectic, super busy, and when you work in anything to do with the drinks industry, just events come up all the time, things after work, and you just feel like you never have time to even, you know, rest properly, let alone do things that you enjoy. So that was super hectic and stressful, and yeah, I just didn't feel comfortable or I had enough time to film, edit and post videos, and I kind of just let all of that build up. And then, you know, the longer you don't do something, the longer, the harder it seems to get back into it. So in the middle of that, I decided to move out of my flat because I wasn't really getting on with the girls that I was living with. They were fine, but we just lived totally different lifestyles and kind of just disagreed on things, which is, you know, everybody is different, so it is what it is. And I moved out of there, and then I moved into this flat about 5 months ago now, which has been really nice. I like living in my housemates now. They're all pretty chill and it's all just calm. So back to the job, basically I was doing that. It was busy, but it was fun. But then I kind of really wanted to think about what I wanted for the new year, and that did not align with the lifestyle of that job. Basically, I wanted to focus a lot more on the things that I love doing, my hobbies, and also just live a healthier lifestyle, make more food, have time to exercise, etc, etc. So basically I decided at the start of the year to resign from that job, and then I had a month's notice and I finished at the beginning of February, and I started my own freelance social media management business. So I've been doing that now for just over a month, and I'm kind of slowly building that up, but that is totally separate from this channel, so I don't really want to talk about it on here. I'll leave my Instagram down below if you want to check it out. But anyways, that's basically where I've been at, what I've been doing, and yeah, there's not really much else to say. If you've got any questions, leave them down below. You would not believe the amount of videos that I did actually film, and I just never edited or uploaded them. Again, I let the fear get the best of me, but you know, here we are. It's March, it's 2022, ready for, you know, some fun things this year. So I'm just going to leave it there. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give the video a thumbs up if you're excited for new videos in 2022, and I'll see you guys next time.